Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by acting now, back up files and connect the new SSD so you can clone immediately. Once connected, open your cloning tool. I recommend sector by sector only if sizes or OS flags differ because it preserves boot records. Make sure the target has equal or larger usable space and disable sleep or hibernation. This avoids mid-clone corruption. You'll know you're ready when BIOS lists both drives, then launch the clone. Choose source and destination, and start the transfer. Once the cloning begins, watch for partition mapping. This is crucial so the EFI or MBR moves with your system partition. If the new SSD is larger, resize the main partition after cloning. Do that with built-in disk tools or a partition editor, because wasted space otherwise remains unused. Make sure the cloning software reports a verified checksum or success status. If it offers a post-clone integrity check, run it. After verification, shut down. Swap drives physically if needed, and prepare for first boot. Boot the machine from the new SSD. Enter BIOS/UEFI and set it as first boot device, because otherwise you'll still load the old disk. If the system fails to start, use built-in startup repair or command line tools like BCD boot for Windows to rebuild boot files. This fixes missing BCD entries. If problems persist, revert to the original drive to preserve access, inspect cables and SATA mode, and retry the clone using sector-level copying. One key tip: a failed
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.